Sermon of Maula Ali alayhi salam, Nahjul Balagha. These sermons and preachings of Imam Ali alayhi salam were so highly valued and venerated in the Islamic world that within a century of his demise, they were taught and read as the last word on the philosophy of monotheism and as the most effective sermons towards piety, a guiding beacon towards truth and justice, marvelous eulogies of the Holy Prophet and the Holy Quran, convincing discourses of the spiritual values of Islam, awe-inspiring discussions about the attributes of Allah, masterpiece of literature, and a model of the art of rhetorics. Sermon 5. In praise of Ahlul Bayt, the progeny of the Holy Prophet. Some commentators consider this as a part of the previous sermon. The Almighty Allah has bestowed His trust on Ali Muhammad, the descendants of Muhammad, peace be upon them, who are the strongholds of His commandments, from where they are expounded and interpreted. They are the fountainheads of knowledge created by Him, shelters for His teachings, forts for heavenly books, and lofty citadels to defend His religion. Islam, in its beginning, needed help and support. By them, Allah made Islam strong and powerful. What kind of people were hypocrites? What kind of people were hypocrites? They sowed the seeds of sins and vices, watered them with vanity, deception, and deceit. And then they harvested deception and destruction. None of the followers of the Holy Prophet could be compared with Ali Muhammad, peace of Allah be on him and his descendants, and none should be considered equal to them. There can be no resemblance between those who distribute bounties and those who receive them. Ahlul Bayt are bases of religion and pillars of faith. To them, both the extreme fanatics as well as strugglers in the path of truth and religion can approach for guidance and salvation. They are efficiently capable and fit for the place and privilege of leadership and caliphate. They have been and are, even now, rightful heirs of the Holy Prophet who had entrusted them imamate. The caliphate has now come back to its right place and has reached the position assigned to it by the heaven.
अक्स, सच्चाइयों और हकायक का अक्स।